Yes, good evening all.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, tell me today what we are going to do now. What topic we will go with. It's been a while. I think last class we were going with probability. Shall we have a quiz today?
Yes, sir.
On what topic?
Yes, sir. Probability.
Huh? Probability. Yes, someone is saying probability. The last class probability questions were completely different than what we have seen. So okay, we'll go with the probability questions of class 10th. Let's see. Okay, people, are you guys ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One second, just a minute. I think it's something showing differently. So instructor paste, timer, leaderboard, shuffle options. Okay, continue. Yeah, I'm sharing the link to every one of you. Yes, join me quickly. Everyone. Yes, I'm starting the quiz. Yes.
Sir, it's quite different.
You solve it. I just deliberately I just gave it to you. I mean, deliberately I just wanted you make sure that you're writing the somewhat advanced questions, not easy questions.
No, sir, it's something very different in the.
Yeah,
I
we have
guess.
done this double.
Yeah, it's stopping after one question and waiting for others
We
to
are doing in
complete it.
previous
Oh,
lectures.
no, it is different actually, instructor based. So I'll be winding up the questions. Ananya, why are you late?
Sir, I'm not able to attempt the quiz.
Why? What
Sir,
happened?
it's still loading for me.
The quiz has started. Refresh it and join it back.
You didn't click the end question, I guess, or something, because it didn't show.
Yeah. It showed in cut. I think I have to show that. 1 second. I think end question. Okay. After this, I'll click it.
Yes, sir.
Sir, this question
the probability that it is a
our question
perfect.
is wrong.
Sorry.
That's perfect square, I
Maybe
guess.
perfect square or something.
Perfect square. I didn't get you.
The probability
Sir,
for
Yes, a perfect number.
Oh, the number is selected random from 1 to 75. The probability that it is a perfect number. Yeah.
square, I guess.
Perfect square. Just choose the option perfect square. Yeah, perfect square, not perfect number. Perfect square. Perfect square ही होता है.
So what is perfect number?
No. Perfect number is nothing but perfect square is a number basically. Perfect number नहीं मैंने गलती से
Perfect
बता दिया.
squares like 1, 4, 9.
Yeah. Perfect square is that is there. Perfect square is a perfect number. मैंने उल्टा बताया था. It's next question. Ending the question.
Yes, sir.
Next, all done. So is it showing now? Next. Then next question. Acha, for each and every question you are getting good time, I think. Correct? Enough time.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. Guys, everyone must solve it. Everyone must, be attentive in the class. Pranav, are you doing Pranav? Pranav ji? Everyone. Today, very less number of students have joined. Why?
Done, sir.
Okay. 1 second. Next. So each question again 3 minutes around.
Yeah, I'm still serving.
Okay. Make it fast.
Done, sir.
Sir, next question.
Next question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
Yes, sir. Done.
Done,
You
sir.
can see in the people who are done or not done, right?
Yes, I can see Pranav. I think still doing. That's why I'm asking.
Okay.
Sir, like, he's not responding any question.
Next questions.
Now is asking him to remove from the quiz. Okay, no, just a minute. Kavya still doing
So I got disconnected, so I don't know how.
refresh it and then
Yes, I'm trying.
Next question, sir.
Sir, done, sir.
Next question, sir.
Next question.
Sir, next question.
Next question, sir.
Next question.
So next question.
Next question. Sir.
Make it fast. I think this quiz has more number of time, more number of minutes. Bhargav, make it fast. Bhargav, Hania, make it fast.
So next question.
Make it fast. I think it's the last question. Am I correct? No,
No,
one more
sir,
question.
second last.
Second last. Oh my goodness. Oh, 300 seconds. Shall I wind up that? Shall I
Yes,
wind
sir.
up?
Yes, sir.
Still
Yes, sir.
doing? Harin is still doing.
Sir, next.
Chalo, quickly have a look at the questions, everyone. I think I have to use stylus pen. Just a minute, beta. Now look at this, everyone. Which of the following cannot be a probability of an event? Minus numbers can't be, isn't it? People, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
Yes, sir.
option,
Yes, sir.
this is not possible. So I think, so next question. So the probability of that a non-leap year selected from a random will have how many Sundays? Already with the same question we solved. The same question I have explained last time when we had same type of question. I do not know whether it was same question or not, but same Sundays leap year. This question we have solved. How many of you did this?
That means
Sir, I did.
Probability that a non-leap year selected at random. Non-leap year selected. We have 53 Sundays, 1 out of 7. Very simple. Just go through this. A number is selected at random. Guys, those who made a mistake, please open your mouths and ask, please. Sir, we made a mistake. No problem. Mistake सभी लोग करते हैं. प्रॉब्लम है कि आप कितना अच्छे तरीके से उसको सीख पा रहे हो. So that is very important. Everyone must go through your mistakes and come up back. Okay. Next, a number is selected at random from 1 to 75. The probability that is a perfect square. Perfect square कितने numbers होता है? देखो 8 out of 75 numbers. So देख लीजिए what are the what are the perfect numbers between the 1, 4, 3 and the 9, 16,
149.
25,
the
yeah,
first thing.
36, 49, 64. Like these are all the perfect squares. So like 8 numbers are possible. So 8 by 75. So next, what is the probability of an event? I mean sure event is equal to 1 greater than 1 नहीं होगा, 0 भी नहीं होगा, between 0. देखो sure event is talking about sure event. Probability of sure event is 1. Okay, what are the chances that no two boys are sitting together for a photograph if there are 5 girls and 2 boys? So three members have made a mistake here. What are the chances that no two boys are sitting together? How can we solve this? How can we solve this question? Tell me.
There are like only two possibilities where they can be sitting together. So and so just cancel it from 1.
That's it.
1 minus 2 by 6.
Yeah. So 1 minus 2 by 7. So yes, 5 by 7. Guys, any doubts? Children, others?
No, sir.
Hania, Harini, Ranav, Haji,
No, sir.
you can Aditya, any doubts?
No, sir.
Then many of you made a mistake. I don't know who made a mistake. Please accept that and ask the doubt. If a letter of English alphabet is chosen at random, then the probability that the letter is a consonant. बेटा कितना consonant होता है और कितना vowels होता है? How many vowels?
21
5 vowels.
consonant and 5
Very
vowels.
simple. Very
So
simple.
26 minus 5 is 20.
Yeah. The probability that a non-leap year will have 53 Fridays. Non-leap year, okay. Non-leap year have 53 Fridays and 53 Saturdays is. Guys, how many of you did this correctly?
Sir, I got a mistake in here.
Yes. Any doubts? Did you?
Yes, sir, please explain this one, right?
Sir, can you explain this?
Yes. Guys, I think 2 of you have did this correctly. Who is that?
Sir, I did it correctly.
Sorry.
Sir, me Piyush, I did it correctly.
Did it correctly? Yes.
Sir, I did it too.
You didn't do?
Sir, I did it too, sir. I did too.
Okay.
Even I didn't do, sir.
देखो मैंने लिखता हूँ इधर, लेट मी राइट हियर. ओके, probability that excuse me children, the probability that a leap year will have 53 Fridays and 53 Saturdays. Okay, let me write here. Let us solve this. How come? Okay, 53. So basically, in how many days we'll be having in non-leap year? Is talking about, correct? Non-leap year, not leap year. So better non-leap year. मतलब देखो leap year. If I just keep leap year in place of non-leap year, then what would you do here?
Sir, leap year meaning will be 1 out of 7.
Yes.
So because in normal year we have 365 days, right? So it'll be 52 weeks and one extra
yes,
day.
and non-leap year. Look at this. Yeah. See, I think this question or that question we have solved that day. So
Yes,
more
sir.
total, yeah, non-leap year will be having non-leap year. So
So it'll be 0 because
now,
we cannot
yeah.
have 2 extra
So
days.
52 weeks. Okay, 52 weeks, one extra day. Yes or no? One day extra. So 52 weeks में कितना Sunday, I mean कितना Fridays होगा? Hello, 52 weeks में कितना Fridays होगा? 52 weeks में 52 Fridays
52.
होगा. 52 Fridays as well as and 52 Saturdays also will be there. Correct?
Yes,
or
sir.
no? हाँ. So now he is asking for 53 Fridays and 53 Saturdays. So we have one chance. Look at it here. In that day, in that particular day, it could be like Friday or Saturday, right? If it is like whatever the remaining day, it could be Saturday or no Friday. So what is the like total possibility? Tell me. One day पे दोनों नहीं हो सकता है ना? Get my point?
Yes, sir.
It could be either Sunday, sorry, Friday or Saturday. Get my point? कितना possibilities है इधर? How many possibilities? 0 possibilities. बेटा नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबिलिटीज कितना है फ्राइडे एंड नो सैटरडे होने का? एक दिन में 2 दिन नहीं हो सकता है ना, कॉमन सेंस की बात है. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
सो 0 ऑफ कोर्स. बट इफ आई टॉक अबाउट लीप ईयर, उधर क्या हो जाएगा बताओ? इफ आई से लीप ईयर,
So then it'll be 1/7.
नॉट 1/7.
Say, so what I mean to say, like there'll be since Friday and Saturday they're together, right? So it'll be consecutively, right? So only once it can happen, like Friday and Saturday or Saturday and Sunday or Thursday and Friday. So out of these, only Friday and Saturday is there, right? Together.
Yes, sir, 1/7.
It should be 1/7.
1 second, let's see. So probability that leap year, probability that a leap year will have 53 Fridays and 53 Saturdays. देखो
1/7.
हाँ, okay, let's solve this. Guys, I removed this leap, let's say non-leap year. So basically, like how many, just as I told you just now, 366 days. 1 second. Oh. 366 days. How many weeks in this? 360 means like 52 weeks. 52 into 7 कितना days होगा? 364 days. Okay, so how many days we left with now? 2 days. 2 days. I just left with 2 days. These 2 days could be what? What are the combinations we can write? Sunday,
Mondays, Tuesday,
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday,
Wednesday, Thursday.
Tuesday,
Wednesday.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday,
Thursday, Friday,
Friday,
Saturday, Saturday, Sunday.
and फिर से Saturday,
Sunday. Last.
Sunday. Okay. So now look at this here. He's asking about what? Fridays, right? Fridays. कितना Fridays possible है देखो? 53 Fridays होने का possible है.
They are asking 53 for Fridays and Saturdays together.
Yes, 53 Fridays and Saturdays together.
But
Exactly.
then only
And
1/7.
there's only one person.
1/7. 53 and very good बेटा, very good. If it is and then only देखो only one possibility. अगर और पूछा होगा तो?
Sir, if or it, then it would be 3/7.
Exactly. If it is or, it would have been 3/7. Okay, but be careful here. Or and में बहुत
Yes, so like
फर्क
Thursday,
होता है.
Friday, Saturday, and Saturday,
हाँ.
Sunday.
और एंड में बहुत फर्क होगा. ठीक है, समझ रहे हो कॉन्सेप्ट इधर? कोई लेकिन नो वन शुड डोंट रिमेम्बर एनीथिंग. आप रिमेम्बर कर रहे हो तो खत्म. ठीक है. So probability of having Fridays is what now? Out of 2/7. Okay? And same, I mean, probability of having Saturdays also. I mean, 53. Probability of
For
having
all days
53.
we'll have 2/7 only.
No. He's talking about Friday and Saturday. That's what I'm saying you.
Yes, sir. I'm saying for all if
All
because
day. Yes. So probability of 53 Fridays is 2/7. Then Saturday all days will be 2/7. Then हमारे को ये कॉम्बिनेशन चाहिए. किस कॉम्बिनेशन? इज टॉकिंग अबाउट फ्राइडे एंड सैटरडे विच इज दिस ईयर. यस और नो? फ्राइडे एंड सैटरडे तो 1/7 हो जाएगा.
Sir, I think there was a similar question in the quiz itself.
Oh, similar question. No. We'll see. If it is
we
there,
had similar, but not exactly the same. In that
Yeah.
it was or in this time and
हाँ एग्जैक्टली. सो हियर 1/7 अगर लेकिन एंड पूछ रहे हैं तो एंड इज व्हाट? देखो ओनली वन कॉम्बिनेशन, सो 1/7 इज द आंसर. 1/7 एंड देखो अगर नॉन लीप ईयर पूछा है तो 0 होगा. एक दिन पे पॉसिबल नहीं होगा 2 दिन होने का. समझ रहे हो गाइस? वी जस्ट सॉल्व 3 क्वेश्चंस हियर. एक नॉन लीप ईयर वाला एंड लीप ईयर एंड वाला, लीप ईयर और वाला. 3 क्वेश्चंस आई सॉल्व हियर. Guys, understood? थोड़ा चेंज करने पे, लेकिन I just changed like little bit. I just made a small change in the question. So we are getting 3 different answers. 0, 1/7, 3/7. समझ रहे हो? And पूछने से 1/7 आ जाएगा और पूछने से 3/7 आ जाएगा. How 3/7 बेटा? Probability of Friday, 53 Friday and Saturday क्या हो सकता है? So basically it is a 0 if it is non-leap year, if it is and 1/7. So answer is going to be this. And next question, shall we move forward now?
yes,
We'll
sir.
move forward. Perfect. Hope it is clear with everyone, guys.
Yes, sir.
And if you want, guys, look at this. You can write like this as well. आपको ये have you heard about this probability of? आपको and चाहिए तो देखो ऐसा हो सकता है ना. क्या बोलता है? A union B is equal to, you'll be learning in further. I don't want to teach you now. Why? Because like it will be confusion again if I teach. A union B formula भी होता है उसका. If I'm that.
Sir, this is in sets.
हाँ, set theory.
Yes, sir. I already know that.
Yes, fine, no problem. What is the probability of getting 2 heads when it 2 heads? देखो, very बच्चों का सवाल है. Still many of you are making, देखो, still 2 members are making mistake. I do not know who is that fellow. See here, who are they making 2 mistakes? I mean, 2 guys have made a mistake here. Please, kindly accept. Huh?
I have written actually. I'm not it.
You didn't? I didn't get you.
So you were asking like who have done?
Who made mistake? 2. I mean, 2 guys have attempted wrongly. Who's that?
One of those is me, sir.
Why?
So it like unfortunately went the side option.
Okay, it is very simple. You can't make.
Sir,
it.
actually, I made a mistake in this question. I just checked.
Please. Everyone,
Yes, sir.
guys,
Sorry,
everyone
sir.
knows this. No problem. Everyone knows it. Very simple, but no context.
Yes,
So the probability of selecting a queen of diamonds when a card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards is queen of diamonds. कितना हो सकता है?
1/50.
sir. One only.
देखो क्वीन कितना, डायमंड होना है क्वीन होना है, तो 1 out of 52. Very simple. 52 cards, same type of question. Card is drawn from 52 cards at random. The probability of getting neither an ace nor a king. Neither ace भी नहीं होना चाहिए, king भी नहीं होना चाहिए. देखो, no, neither an ace nor a king. Neither ace nor king. Tell me. 50. हाँ देखो, नो एस नो किंग 13 में से.
11/13.
हाँ 52 कार्ड्स में देखो मैंने क्या कर रहा हूँ, 13 में से नो एस नो किंग, तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? 11/13. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. 1 सेकंड, तो स्क्रीन क्लियर कर देंगे. इफ अ डिजिट चोजन एट रैंडम फ्रॉम द डिजिट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ दैट इज ऑड इज व्हाट? वेरी सिंपल बेटा, ये तो बच्चों का सवाल है सब. If 3 coins are tossed simultaneously, then the probability of getting at least 2 heads. This is also at least 2 heads, 2 times. देखो 2, I mean what is this? 3 coins, 2 heads. Sample space लिखने को आता है ना आपको? Guys, 3 coins. How many outcomes possible here? 8 outcomes, correct? 3 coins.
Yes, sir.
Triple H,
Yes, sir.
HHT, HTH.
HEH. EHH.
देखो 1 second. THH, TTH, THT, okay, and HTT, okay. What still triple T? So एटलीस्ट 2 हेड्स, एटलीस्ट 2 हेड्स. देखो दो में कम से कम 2 हेड तो कंपलसरी चाहिए. 3 भी हो सकता है, आई मीन 2 से ज़्यादा हो सकता है, मगर 2 से कम नहीं होना चाहिए. एटलीस्ट 2 हेड्स, मिनिमम 2 हेड्स शुड बी देयर. सो 1 2 3 4 आउट ऑफ 8, 1/2. ठीक है, तो ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. होप इट इज क्लियर पीपल. एटलीस्ट 2 heads. If you know the meaning of at least, then you can't make this question mistake. Guys, who made mistake? 4 players made a mistake here. Who's that? Hello, guys, who made a mistake? Please, was it by unfortunate
Sir,
or like I made a mistake?
Sir, I knew it, but I didn't pay attention of at least 2 heads. I didn't consider the 3 heads.
Sorry, you
Sir, I
didn't.
didn't consider 3 heads. I thought it was. I considered 3 outcomes.
You considered 3 outcomes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Even I did not consider 3 heads, sir.
Okay, okay.
Same
No,
here, sir.
3. No, actually, at least 2 heads का मतलब क्या होता है, बताओ मुझे. At least 2 heads. At least 2 heads.
2 or
At
more
least
than 2.
minimum 2 heads.
मिनिमम 2 हेड्स. उसका
Yes,
मीनिंग क्या
sir.
होता है? मिनिमम 2 होना पक्का है. उससे ज्यादा हो सकता है, मगर 2 से कम नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक है, उसका मीनिंग होता है. समझ रहे हो ना एवरीवन? आदित्य, आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, sir.
Minimum 2 should be there. Okay, next. Next, the probability of guessing the correct answer is certain. Guys, I think we solved this question. Probability of guessing correct answer is
Yes, sir.
correct answer to certain question is x by 12, and the probability of not guessing answer is x by 12. How can we solve this? Guessing answer is x by 12, not is 2 by 3. How?
X by 12 plus 2 by 3 equals to 1.
Exactly.
Yes, sir.
सम अप कर दो, इक्वल 1 के बराबर कर दो, मिल जाएगा आंसर. वेरी
Yes,
सिंपल.
sir.
Arushi sold 100 lottery tickets in 5 tickets carry prizes. If Priya purchased a ticket, what is the probability of Priya winning a prize?
1 by 20.
Lottery tickets in which 5 tickets carry prizes. Oh, very simple. 5 by 100. Who is that guy? Someone making noise behind. 1 by 20. Kavya, I think you are.
Sorry, sir.
Okay. What's happening around you?
No, sir, my sibling is watching TV. That's
A number is selected from first 50 natural numbers. What is the probability that it is a multiple of 3 or 5? Multiple of 3 or 5 कैसे हो सकता है? देखो 23 out of 50. Very simple बेटा, multiple of 3 and 50. देखो, how can we solve this quickly?
So 3 table and 5 table add, then add the commons.
Exactly, very simple. बेटा ये बच्चों, someone of you have made a mistake, I think one player has made a mistake here. No problem, check it out बेटा. जो भी है, whoever it is, make it fast. Just try to understand what was your mistake. A chord is drawn at random from the deck of 52 chords. The probability that the drawn chord is not an ace. Not an ace. ace नहीं होनी चाहिए. बताओ मुझे.
So it'll be 48 by 52 equal to 12 by 13. Yeah.
हाँ. Not ace. कितना ace? How many ace will be there for for
Sir,
1
4.
two? देखो बेटा, there will be a 13 pairs, right? इसमें 13, इसमें 13, इसमें 13, इसमें 13. देखो इसमें एक ace होगा, इसमें एक ace होगा, इसमें एक ace होगा. Here one ace will be there, right? So he is saying not ace. तो मतलब 4 aces will not be considering. Okay, so out of 4 if you are not considering 4 aces, then how many cards will be remaining? 48 out of 52. ठीक है. So 4 ones 4 twos 4 ones 4 threes, 12 by 13 होगा आपका आंसर. Hope it is clear with everyone. Hope it is clear, children.
Yes, sir.
Next question, I think. So in a single throw of a pair of dice, the probability of getting a sum of perfect square. Sum of perfect square. Sum of perfect square. दोनों ऐड करने से perfect square मिला मुझे. Pair of dice. Pair of dice मतलब देखो how many possibilities outcome, how many possible number of outcomes. Number of outcomes in a sample space. Guys, are you here?
Yes,
When
sir.
you just throw two dice,
Pair of dice
number
is
of
6
outcomes. Number
square,
of
36.
36. 6 into 6, 6 square, 36. Right? So the probability of getting a sum, a perfect square. दोनों ऐड करने से मुझे sum कितना मिलना है? Perfect square मिलना है. Let's say that you are drawing a like on 1, 3. 1, 3 gives you perfect square, correct? Like that. How many possibilities are there?
7, sir.
7. देखो, I think two half you have made a mistake, guys. देखो दो नंबर को, if I am adding two numbers, that should give me a perfect square. So कितना pairs होंगे ऐसा? 7 pairs out of 36 pairs. So देख लीजिए, very simple, very simple. थोड़ा language of the question is very important to understand. If at all you are understanding the language of the question in a proper way, then I'm sure questions, so like you can play literally football with the questions, I'm sure. Isn't it? Am I correct? Am I correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Very simple.
Yes, sir.
So next, 1 second. Next question. Two dice are rolled simultaneously, the probability that they show different faces. Different faces क्या होता है? Different faces. Two dice. 5/6. कोई भी इसमें दिक्कत ही नहीं है. Two dice are rolled simultaneously. ठीक है? हाँ. The probability that they show different faces. Different faces कहाँ होता है? एक ही बार तो एक सेम दिखेगा 1, 1, isn't it? Remaining all the different. So
Yes.
what is the probability that a leap year has 52 Mondays? 5/7. Guys, check this. Check this. The concept whichever we have discussed earlier. As per that, you can solve it.
Sir, shouldn't it be like all? What is the probability of leap year has 52 Mondays? Okay, yeah, yes, got it.
Huh?
Okay, sir. Yeah, understood, sir.
What is the
Understood.
probability that
I
a
thought
leap
it's
year has?
like
Huh?
yes, sir. Understood. It should be minimum 52 years, not maximum.
Yes. So the bag contains cards number from 1 to 25. A card is drawn at random from a bag. Then probability that a number on this card is divisible by both 2 and 3. Guys, with this type of questions, you can't even make a mistake. Please, I think one player has made a mistake. I don't know who is that. Please check it out, beta. If you have any doubts, if you want me to explain, we'll explain it. Who is that? Please check that. Check that. Everyone. Chalo, next question. The probability that will rain tomorrow is 0.85%. Then what is the probability of not rain? एक में से घटा दूंगा भाई. देखो, guys, probability of rain is what? Probability of rain is what? 85%. Correct? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then probability of it will not rain is
Sir,
what?
yes, this question I have doubt.
This one?
Oh no, sir. No, sir. Not this one, sir. Yeah.
This is the last question actually.
Yeah. Yes, sir. The other question I had.
Yeah. So guys, this is what the question paper discussion खत्म होता है इधर से. ठीक है? So one second. So guys, look at this here. Probability that will rain tomorrow 0.85%. Then not will be 0.15. So 15 by 100. So 15 by 100, 5 3s, 5 20s. That's how we can solve this. Very simple. Correct? Isn't it, people?
Yes, sir.
Probability that will rain tomorrow
Yes,
is
sir.
0.85. Not rain कितना
Yes,
होगा? 1 minus 0.85. 1 इसको solve कर लेंगे तो मुझे मिलेगा 3 by 20. Very simple. Okay, children, this is what the question paper discussion and today's quiz and class. Okay, we'll meet in the next session. Until then, goodbye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, ma.